new setup. No, my sister's room has a bunk bed in it, so I can't be opening albums in there. And so I'm just gonna be using my room, which got a new desk. So yeah, I have 3 new albums I got for Christmas. I got Ateez EP2. I got NCT Superhuman album, and then TXT's the newest album, the full one. I don't know which one I'm gonna open first, but they're all just gonna be open anyway. So we're just gonna put those aside. I don't know if I'm gonna make this a full video or just like 3 separate videos, but that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna open Ateez's first. I couldn't find the final EP one was at my FYE, the white one that I wanted. My sister made me turn off her phone. Anywho, yeah, the final EP was there. I went back and it was gone. And then I saw EP1 that I really, really wanted, and I went back there yesterday, and that was gone too. So Ateez's power is taking over. So this was the only one that was left. Is there something wrong with people who don't want this one? I have Wave and Illusion, and now this one. I just need the first one and the final one. So yeah, we're gonna open it. It was already ripped when I got it, so I was like, gotta get it. This was one other one, and I'm afraid I won't get a Wii photo card or anyone for San. So there's that. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Okay, there's that. I'm gonna move her aside. That's what she looks like. It's been a while since I've done an unboxing. I think the last unboxing I did was of the Day 6 album that I got from my friend. So that was that. And I don't know what this, but we're gonna. I see the photo cards already. I'm not gonna look at them just yet. We're gonna look at this. Go look at this part. Yeah, Ateez went on tour when Holla Holla and Say My Name came out. And guess what, guys? I'm going to be seeing Ateez in Atlanta. And I'm going to be seeing Air Dom in Orlando. And then I'm going to be seeing Stray Kids in Miami. I have a lot of stuff going on. So I am going to be using Ateez. And sadly, I didn't get High Touch VIP for tickets. But I'm 5'3", and I'm not even mad that I didn't get that. I got section 118. That is over to the left side, and then they moved the stage closer because I went to the same venue with Super M, and the stage was more farther back, and it had like 4 sections open, but they like brought the stage closer. So I'm just gonna be, here's me, and I'm gonna be looking right at Ateez, and I don't even have to be on the floor. Like, I don't even mind. The seats that I got is 118, section 118, row A, so I'm gonna be in the front of the section. So it's like, I don't even care. Y'all can go look up the seating chart and see where I'm sitting. I don't even care. First is Hanjoongi. My daughter calls him Hong Joongi, if he even gets called that, but it's like Joongi or Hong Joongi. That's what she calls him. Apparently they put the photo cards in the front of the book, so like I don't even have to like look in here. Shanghai. Ooh, Yoonho. Yeah. Is there different versions of this? Oh yeah, there is. There's that. Oh, San. This is San's iconic hairstyle. I don't even care what y'all say. You can love the white mullet. You can love the green hair. But this is San. I don't care what y'all say, but this is San's look, okay? Oh my god. Oh my god, yo. What the heck? I think I'm gonna open all 3 of them in this video. Yeosang. Y'all, what's your favorite Yeosang era? Because Yeosang, I think, killed it in Say My Name, because Yeosang with black hair just hits different, and then he got that choker on. Girl, see what I'm saying? What I'm saying, girl? Oh, and then Yoonho with dark hair. I kind of miss him with dark hair. I'm not gonna lie, like it just makes him like a little soft boy, but he's a bad boy. Kim Sung-hwa is iconic blonde hair. Like, he had, like, blonde hair in, like, wave era, but it was, like, a lightish ash blonde, so it wasn't this blonde. But this blonde, let me say My Name was, like, one of the best eras, like, for look-wise. Like, I'm doing Mullet King? Y'all can't even front on that. Oh, my God. And then this. And then we are. Oh, my God. And Mingy's like bleached pants. His thighs like hella thick. Did y'all see the middies in the Mama Award? People like combined Mingy and then titties together and made it middies. It was so funny. So yeah, there's that. We're gonna actually look at the poster and the photo cards. Oh my god, I got signed. I got signed, what the fuck? That's my bias record. That's my bias record. And then I got the and then we got the little map looking thing that if you collect all of them, it makes like a map or something. So it's like, that's that. And then I got the... Oh my god. Here's the CD. This is so complicated. Like, as you can see... Ooh. As you can see like I have like my wave right there, and then no, that's illusion. Illusion's right there, and then waves more over here. And I put them up like in squares of their name in order. So here's Hamjun. I'm gonna choke. Hamjun. Oh my god, they have the months on there. Why do they have a mini calendar on the back? Oh, they have their birthdays on it. February. Samha. Yunho. Yosan, Sani, Mingi, Jungo, Ateez, present. I don't know where I'm gonna put all these because I have them up on my wall, but I don't have any more room. I don't know where I'm gonna put all this. October, Ateez's birthday, and then Jungho's birthday. Oh, what the fuck? Oh man, making that turn. Oh, this got me messed up. This got me. Oh, and then they got the stickers. Like I said, I do not use the stickers at all. Like I don't touch them. I didn't touch them in my wave nor my. I don't want to break it. I don't know how to unfold. Ma'am. Oh my god, I'm such a mess. Okay, there's that. We're gonna put this up in a second. And like the CD, I don't know the CD. We're gonna put the poster back there. And I have to put like, I don't know how many of these are. There's like 12 or 13 things with these. Oh my god. Okay, there's the posters. There's that. I'm gonna put the photo cards back in there. And I'll put all the posters and stuff later. And then I'll take a picture of my updated stuff. There's that album. Oh my god, I just for my sister's boyfriend's one.